Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Christmas gifts is probably one of the most exciting parts of the holiday season. Finding the perfect present for a gift exchange can be a fun challenge. Whether you're shopping for friends, family, or coworkers, the goal is to find something that's both enjoyable and memorable. Let's dive into some fantastic gift ideas that are sure to be a hit at your next Christmas exchange. Number 5. Bedsure Blanket Hoodie, Best Bedding Award winner. Introducing the Bedsure Blanket Hoodie, the winner of Good Housekeeping's 2024 Best Bedding Award. This wearable blanket offers exceptional warmth and comfort. It's perfect for those chilly days and nights. Looking for the perfect gift? This ultra-soft wearable blanket is a great choice for women, men, and family members. It's ideal for any special occasion, offering warmth and comfort all year round. Experience exceptional warmth with a soft flannel exterior and cozy Sherpa lining. This hoodie blanket is your perfect companion during the colder months. It keeps you warm and stylish whether you're at home or out and about. Enjoy the versatile and practical design that allows you to keep your arms free while staying warm. It features deep side pockets and ribbed cuffs for maximum comfort during any activity. It's perfect for reading, watching TV, or just lounging around. The Bedsure Blanket Hoodie is designed for convenience with machine-washable fabric. It maintains its softness and vibrancy even after multiple washes. Plus, it's OEKOTX certified, ensuring it's safe for you and your family. What we like? This wearable blanket is incredibly warm, thanks to its cozy Sherpa lining and soft exterior. It's perfect for lounging around the house or staying warm on a chilly evening. If you're looking for a gift that combines comfort and practicality, this is a great choice. It's something they can use every day. What people say. Purchased as a gift. Item is as described. Big, oversized, soft and comfy. A wearable blanket that is very thick but moderate weight. Held up in the wash with no shrinking or piling. Perfect for lounging around on those chilly days or nights. The hoodie itself is roomy and warm, but not heavy, and comes to about mid-thigh on me. I am about 5 feet 6 inches. I appreciate that the sleeves are cuffed, unlike a snuggie, so they won't drag around while you're reaching for things. It's soft, spacious, and warm. Great for lounging around the house, movie nights, or keeping warm on the back porch. It's even big enough to fit too. Number 4. PARIGO LED Flashlight Gloves, Unique Gifts for Men. Tired of holding a flashlight while working? These LED flashlight gloves provide hands-free light, pointing exactly where you need it. They're perfect for working in tight, dark spaces. These gloves are a must-have for various activities. Whether fishing at dusk, repairing a car, or sewing, they offer bright light without the hassle. It's a unique gift for anyone. Looking for a gift that's both practical and thoughtful? These LED flashlight gloves are great for birthdays, Father's Day, or Christmas. They make life easier by illuminating the darkness. Made with stretchy fabric and lengthened straps, these gloves fit most adults comfortably. They're ideal for handymen, car enthusiasts, and anyone working in dimly lit areas. They are also helpful for outdoor activities. With bright lights at your fingertips, it's like having an assistant holding a flashlight. These gloves are perfect for grilling, dog walking, or working on vehicles. It's a cool gadget and a personalized gift. Looking for unique gifts? These PARIGO LED flashlight gloves are the perfect choice. Plus, they come with a hassle-free return policy and a 24-month warranty. We are here to help you. What we like? These LED flashlight gloves provide hands-free illumination, making tasks easier in dark or tight spaces. They're a practical gift for anyone who enjoys DIY projects, car repairs, or outdoor activities. If you like the idea of a unique and helpful gift, this will be a hit. What people say. Lifesaver for my husband. He had to change out his headlight on his Acura MDX. The area behind the light is hard to reach with a flashlight. The gloves were perfect to light up a small hidden area. They are bright enough. They worked as described. Number 3. Bauer Edgewood Red Sherpa Fleece Throw Blanket. Welcome to the Bauer Home Collection, inspired by outdoor adventures. This blanket combines durability and comfort, bringing the spirit of exploration into your home. This super cozy blanket is perfect for your couch or bed. It features a reversible design with Sherpa and brushed fleece for ultimate softness. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This blanket offers everyday warmth and comfort, perfect for birthdays or housewarmings. It's a gesture that's sure to brighten someone's day. The blanket features a faux shearling trim and the signature Bauer logo. It's crafted with yarn-dyed cotton flannel, adding to its cozy appeal. The throw blanket measures 60 inches long by 50 inches wide. For care, simply machine wash it cold and tumble dry on low. What we like? This throw blanket offers exceptional softness and a stylish design, perfect for adding comfort to any living space. It's ideal for snuggling up on the couch or adding a touch of warmth to a bed. If you are looking for a gift that combines comfort and style, this blanket is a great choice. What people say. Nice and soft. Double-sided makes it great for both, a little chilled, and I'm really cold. It is one of the warmest blankets I have ever used, even warmer than my comforters. The throw is exactly as described. I love them, it is fresh on one side and warm on the other one. Number 2. Survival Kit 14-in-1, Cool Gadgets for Men. Looking for the perfect gift? This survival kit is ideal for any man. It's a great present for Father's Day, birthdays, or anniversaries. This professional survival kit is packed with essential tools. It includes a flashlight, fire starter, and more, perfect for camping and hiking. The kit is lightweight and easy to carry. The waterproof and shockproof box protects the tools inside, making it ideal for any adventure. This kit has everything needed for outdoor emergencies. It's perfect for hiking, camping, hunting, and fishing, ensuring safety in the wilderness. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you're not happy with the product, contact us for a replacement. It's a must-have gift for any dad. What we like? This survival kit is packed with essential tools for outdoor adventures and emergencies. It's compact, lightweight, and designed to help you stay prepared in various situations. If you have someone who loves camping, hiking, or simply being prepared, this kit is a thoughtful and practical gift. What people say. Great assortment of survival tools. Looks like everything you think you'll need is right there. The items are of good quality, and they don't take up much storage space. Number 1. Survival Kit, Gifts for Dad, Men, Husband. Looking for the perfect gift? This survival kit is ideal for anyone who loves adventure, camping, or hiking. It's a multi-tool kit, making it a great present for anyone. This kit combines 14 essential tools with a stylish design. It's lightweight and multi-purpose, making it an essential companion for any outdoor activity. It is a great gift for men of all ages. The box is compact, measuring just 4.1 by 1.8 by 6.3 inches and weighing only 0.9 pounds. It's water and shockproof, with a foam interior. You can easily carry it in your car, backpack, or camping gear. It's a cool gadget for men, perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. This is a great gift for dad, best friend, brother, or anyone who enjoys the outdoors. We are committed to quality and satisfaction. If you have any issues, contact us anytime. You can confidently gift it to your loved one without any concerns. What we like? This survival kit is a comprehensive set of tools designed for outdoor enthusiasts and anyone who values preparedness. It's compact and easy to carry, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or keeping in a car. If you are looking for a practical and versatile gift for someone who enjoys the outdoors, this is an excellent choice. What people say. He loves all the practical gadgets that are included in the kit, from an emergency blanket to the awesome flint and saw. The size is excellent for a backpack or vehicle, and there is a bit of room in the case and drawstring bag for other items you might want to add. Every item is great quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.